Alright, this is a 2008 Yamaha R6. I'm going to be placing clutch lever with this new one that I found on Amazon. Saw a pretty decent deal on it. It's got adjustable clutch spots and levers for adjustments. So I thought it was a lot cooler. It would match the forks, of course, and everything else that's gold on the bike. So here we go. In order to take this guy off, there's this bolt right here, which is actually just a 10mm bolt that sits on the bottom here, where you just stick your wrench in there and unscrew it. Once you're able to unscrew that bolt, you want to turn this dial so that way it lines up right there, so that way you can pull the cable out when you pull this guy. There you go. Then what you want to do is eventually get some slack so you can easily pull this guy without damaging any other cables. So usually just a little wrench or something to hold it, but I'm just going to grab something and hold on to that, and that way I can pop this guy out. But it should just slide right out. So once you take the old one off, obviously you just slide this one right back on, same spot, make sure it gets on, twist it of course, and then just fit it in the slot that of course it's designed to go into. Once that's in there, sorta line up the holes so that way you can put of course the rest of the bolts right through it. And that's all there is to it.